made a man-made forest. One of the tourist spot in the province of La Union.
Sige.
La Union, officially the province of La Union, is a province in the Philippines located in the Ilocos region in the island of Luzon. Its capital is the city of San Fernando, which also serves as the regional center of the Ilocos region. This laid-back coastal town is famous for its surfing spots, but what not a lot of people know is that it's also brimming with other natural and heritage. La Union is famous for its natural waterfalls. We are about to go Tangadan Cold Spring, which is located in the municipality of San Gabriel. Environmental fee is 30.0 pesos. Tourist guide is 1,000.0 pesos. We are 5. Back and forth motorcycle is 200.0 pesos per head. This is the motorcycle ride.
Sa isang motor. Oo, dahan-dahan lang tayo. Oo, mas ano yun. Oops! Manila po. May jeepney dito. Another curve. Oh, jeepney again. Intense. Uy! Hala! Hala! Oops. Uy, ayan na! Ayan!
Welcome to Tangadan Falls.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, we are trekking, going to the Tangadan Falls. So, it's so very hard to walk these stairs, long stairs. I'll show you.
This is a very long walk down going to the falls.
Ganyan talagang mga vlogger, magbablog. Ala, there's a goat. Good morning! Hello! Ayun, nakita ko na.
Finally, we arrived. This is it.
Nagba-vlog pala ako. Janina, say hello to my vlog! Uy, nanginginig talaga yung tuhod ko. Okay. Ay, oo. Ang ganda.
Picture na ba kayo?
Sige po. Tapos, saan maliligo? Doon sa baba? Okay, picture na tayo dito, guys. Janina, okay ka pa? Ay, very beautiful. Wow.
Okay. Lagyan mo na.
Uy! Uy, dito na lang siya sa baba. Wait lang. May video lang ako. Wow!
Welcome to Tangadon Falls.
There you go.
Let's jump into a 15 feet deep.
After walking thousands of steps, here we are. Exhausted. Are you okay?
On our way back to our stay, grilling time.
Nice. Tapos, oo nga, malakas kasi yung apoy.
This is our transient. Let's eat.
Ipansit! Day, magkanta pa na happy birthday. Sige, magkanta na tayo.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.